Look at what they have me wearing, man. Freaking hearts and unicorns.
Double cup, big comparing holy nuts. I don't want friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth in his Maui.
Yo, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Wize, and we're back at it again with another Amazon video, guys. Today, a lot's changed in my company since I first started posting videos. For one of the changes is the Flex app. We no longer use the ELD and Compass to do our vehicle inspections now. Now we just use the Flex app, and I'm not sure if everybody got that updated, but let me know in the comments if you guys also got that changed in your company. But we now do everything through the Flex app. We can do the vehicle inspections, do our deliveries like always, but the new thing is we get to do our vehicle inspections now. So that's changed. Also, my routes have changed. I have a lot more packages to deliver now. Just yesterday I did 150 stops, and it was like 295 packages. Still haven't hit that 300 mark, but I'm getting close to it. But yeah, guys, pretty crazy. This is what my route looks like for today. So I have 17 bags, 31 overflow, and I have 243 packages all together. And then on the side right here I have my itinerary, and it shows me the areas that I'm going to be working out of. So there's like 4 different areas. In one of my areas right now, which is right here, I have a couple stops. Then I'm going to go over to this area, and then this one, and then very last, all the way down here are my last stops. So pretty weird. They're just basically bunching up a lot of routes in one, but whatever, you know, it's got to get done. So yeah, guys, you guys already know the routine. Take you guys along with me so you guys kind of see how it all goes down. But yeah, let's get started. Alright, you guys, so I'm currently going to my next stop. It is going to take a little bit to get there, so I decided I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys a little story of what happened to me 2 days ago. So 2 days ago, I was involved in a little incident with Pedestrian. What happened was I was delivering, and I was on Sunset Boulevard. And for those of you guys that don't know, Sunset Boulevard is a very busy street. It's in a high-end neighborhood, even though it runs through, like, it's a big street, but I was in the high-end part of the neighborhood, and on that side there's actually enough space for a car to be parked there on the side. But regardless of where we park, our vans are too big, so it always takes up a little bit of the other lane. But anyways, I was parked there. I was actually out of the car because I was doing the delivery already, and I had my hazards on, and I got back in the car, and the next stop was actually around the corner. So I went around the corner, stopped, I went back to go check, to go get the bag, and then I heard a knock, and I was like, what the hell happened? Maybe it's the customer, you know. Sometimes they'll always just be there waiting, and especially if they know that the bag's coming or the package is coming. So I heard her knock, and it was a lady, and she let me know that she had hit my car. So I was like, what? So I checked, didn't see any damage on the vehicle, but on her side, the whole windshield, the whole right mirror was like broken. So she like swiped with her mirror and shit. So I was like, well, it's not my fault because I'm able to park there as long as I have my hazards on, and there's no space for me to park there. But she didn't think so. She thought that I wasn't able to park there. She thought that that it was suspicious. That's what she said. That's suspicious that you're just able to park anywhere as long as you have your hazards on. And I didn't argue with her. I didn't want to go off all on telling her like, well, that's the reason the hazards are for, you know, like hazards are for when your vehicle breaks down or when you're parked somewhere you're not supposed to be parked. You put those hazards on. It lets people know that you're not going to be moving anytime soon, so you might as well go to the side of me and pass on, you know. But and then my vehicle's really big, guys, and you can see my vehicle from like probably a mile away. So she had enough time to move or do whatever she had to do to switch lanes, but she didn't do so. So either way, I got on the phone with my dispatch. He let me know what type of information to provide her with. He basically just told me to get her information because we can't give our information since we're not at fault. So you just have to get her information. And so she didn't like that, so she called the cops on me. The cops came. They got both of our informations. They let me know that the best thing is just to give both informations. Even though I told her my side of the story, the cop agreed with me that I wasn't at fault, that what I had done was normal. That's when most delivery drivers have to do, you know, when they have to deliver, especially in the vans that we're in. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think about that. The officer obviously let me go. No tickets were written up, nothing like that. And she left. She was a little upset, but she wasn't like a Karen or anything. She wasn't really mean or nothing. She never even said anything mean to me or nothing. She just didn't. She just kind of felt like she was kind of being cheated out, and it was also a brand new car, guys. It still had it had the paper license plates. So it was a brand new car. But yeah, guys, well, I want to know what you guys' thoughts on that is. Was I right? Was she right? Who was right in that instance? Because again, I was parked with my hazards on, and I was doing a delivery, which is normal. It's a normal thing to do. Like everybody does it. But yeah, guys, that happened, and I had to get pictures taken, so I'm actually going to post the pictures right now. That's the damage that was done to her car, and this little ding is what happened to my car, which is nothing. So I don't know. I'm not sure what's going to happen. I already gave all the information, the police report and everything, to my dispatch, so it's up to him. But yeah, guys, let me know your guys' thoughts on that. It was a pretty hilarious situation for me, even though I wasn't laughing, but it was pretty hilarious for me. Especially because I had to get rescued, so the guy that came to rescue me, I let him know what was going on. And he straight up just went like, what the fuck? And she thinks she's gonna get away with it? Is she stupid? He said, not my words, his words. But yeah, he was kind of going off. I was kind of like, oh shit, hopefully she doesn't hear and she becomes a Karen. But nah, nothing happened. But yeah, guys, let me know your guys' thoughts on that. Actually just got to my stop, so we're gonna keep the ball rolling. I'm gonna try to get out of this area, try to get to the next area. But yeah, let's get it. Alright guys, so I'm currently on my break. I'm literally just parked on like the side of the road. Check out this view though. Tell me why I woke up this morning and I asked Siri if it was gonna rain, and she said no. So I brought my Yeezys, which are the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn in my life. These are my first pair. I actually got them when they dropped. These are the new ash blue colorway. But I brought them, guys, and now look. It's fucking raining. Goddamn Siri, man. I think I'm gonna get an Android after this. I don't know. But it kind of sucks, man. Hopefully it doesn't rain for too long. Guys, so I'm out of lunch and I'm gonna start delivering again. But just really quick, look at what they have me wearing, man. Freaking hearts and unicorns. But it's either this or get soaking wet, so what would you guys choose? But anyways, let's get it. Let's get to it. Guys, so just quick update. It finally stopped raining, so I don't have the goofy plastic bag shit. But this is like an update. So I've completed 76 stops. I still have 47 stops left, and I have to deliver 84 more packages. So we're just gonna keep going. This is what the van looks like right now. So I've already basically cleaned up everything. Almost done. But yeah, we're gonna keep going, guys, so that we don't get caught up in this rain. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, so I'm almost done, but supposedly this is where the last known dinosaur is at. I'm just playing. Can somebody tell me what the fuck this is? Like, what are those rings, dude? And tell me it doesn't give you some Jurassic vibes. That's crazy. But yeah. Anyway, let's get it. Got it. Alright guys, here at the lot, finally finished with everything. Now before I end the video, I do have a quick request from you guys. If you guys could comment what you guys want to know about Amazon, what you guys have questions about. It could be anything, guys. I'm trying to make a lot more videos on Amazon, and I'm still going to. I have other ideas, but I also want to know what you guys want to hear and what you guys want me to make videos of. If it's how to do an inspection, let me know, guys. I'll do that video. But regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure to like, subscribe, especially if you guys are new, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Double cup, big holy nuts. I don't want friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth and it's my weed.